D's YouTube script, How to Make Money with AI. This is AI Productivity Lab. This is for hook, first 30 seconds. Most people think you need to be a tech genius to make money with AI. But here's what nobody's telling you. I made an extra $3,400 last month using AI tools I learned in about 2 hours. And I'm not a programmer. I managed supermarket branches for 5 years. If I can do this, literally anyone can. In the next 7 minutes, I'm showing you exactly how. Jartos intro, 15 seconds. Hey, welcome back to AI Productivity Lab. I am your host, and every week we break down AI tools that actually make you money instead of just saving you time. If you want to stop trading hours for dollars, hit subscribe and let's get into it. Dundarth main content. Point 1. Content creation and digital products. 115. Let's start with the fastest way to monetize AI content creation. When I ran my supermarket branches, I had to write reports, emails, training documents. All that content, it could have been products. Here's what changed for me. I started using ChatGPT and Claude to help me create lead magnets, free guides, templates, checklists, all based on real operational knowledge I already had. That's the key insight right here. You're not creating from nothing. You're using AI to package what you already know. A business owner I worked with created a simple email course about retail management using AI to structure the content and optimize it. Sold it on GUMROAD for $27, made $800 in the first week. Not because he's special, because he had knowledge plus AI leverage. But here's where most people mess up. They think bigger is better. Wrong. Small, specific digital products make more money. Why? Because they're easier to create and easier to sell. Let me show you point 2, which is where the real passive income kicks in. Point 2, AI-powered service delivery, 240. This one's huge, and it's how I'm actually making consistent money right now. You take a service you already offer or know how to do, consulting, copywriting, design feedback, course creation, and you use AI to deliver it faster and better. Here's the actual math. Let's say you offer business consulting at $150 an hour. With AI, you can now deliver 4 hours of work value in 2 hours. That means you either charge the same and make double your money per client, or you charge $75 an hour and still make $150 per hour while becoming way more attractive to customers. During my supermarket days, we used AI to analyze sales patterns and create optimization reports. What used to take me 8 hours now takes 90 minutes. And the reports are better because AI catches patterns I'd miss. I could sell those reports to other branch managers. That's a business right there. The thing is, you're not replacing yourself, you're multiplying yourself. One consultant friend started offering AI-enhanced business audits. Same quality, delivered faster, charged premium pricing because clients saw they were getting cutting-edge analysis. Revenue jumped 40% in 3 months, but services still require you to show up. Let me drop something bigger. Point 3, affiliate marketing and recommendations, 350. This is the move that actually creates semi-passive income. You build an audience, blog, YouTube, newsletter, whatever, by sharing AI insights and tools. Then you recommend the tools you genuinely use. When you send someone to buy ChatGPT Pro through your link, you get 30% commission if they're in your network. Same with AI design tools, video tools, automation platforms. The crazy part, you're recommending things you already use anyway. I started a simple email newsletter 6 months ago. Nothing fancy, just me sharing one AI productivity hack every week relevant to business owners, built to about 200 subscribers. That newsletter now generates about $500 a month from affiliate commissions alone. I'm not hustling, I'm just sharing what works. The math is simple. 200 subscribers about 8% click rate on recommendations, about 30% convert to paid. That's 29 actual customers per promotion. If each tool is 15 a month average, and you get 30% commission, that's $130 per tool recommendation. Do that 4 times a month, you've got your mortgage payment. But wait, there's an even better model I'm about to tell you about. Point 4, building and selling AI tools and automations. 4.55. You don't need to be a programmer. Seriously, there are no-code AI platforms that let you build tools people will pay for. Here's a real example. A colleague built a simple AI tool that takes messy customer feedback and organizes it into action items. Built it with Zapier and OpenAI's API. No coding. Put it on GUMROAD for $14 one time or $9 a month subscription. Makes about $2,000 a month passively. The barrier isn't programming, it's identifying problems. What problem did you solve in your last job? What takes people hours that could take minutes with AI? When I was managing branches, inventory management was a nightmare. Spreadsheets, manual counting, mistakes. An AI tool that streamlined that, managers would pay monthly for it. The tool doesn't exist because I haven't built it yet, but it would be stupid simple with no code tools. The money here is genuinely passive once it's built. You could make money while sleeping. Point 5, done for you AI services, 610. Last one. And this is what I'm focusing on right now because it's the highest paying model. Done for you services using AI. Think about what services are expensive right now. Video editing, social media content creation, email sequence writing, customer support chatbot setup. All of those can be done partly or entirely with AI, which means your delivery costs drop to near zero while you charge full price. A copywriter friend now charges clients $3,000 to build their entire email marketing funnel using AI tools. She does the strategy, the prompts, the refinement. The AI does the heavy lifting. She makes $3,000 in about 15 hours of work. That's $200 an hour. Without AI, she'd charge $3,000 and work 60 hours. The magic word here is premium. You're not competing on price. You're bundling AI efficiency with expertise. To Bantrangi, recap 30 seconds. Let me recap what makes real money with AI. First, package your knowledge into products. Second, use AI to deliver services faster. Third, build an audience and recommend tools. Fourth, build simple AI tools yourself. Fifth, offer done-for-you services at premium pricing. All 5 of these are happening in my business right now at different scales. None of them require you to be technical. They all require you to understand one thing. AI is a tool to multiply your existing value, not replace it. So, CTA, final 30 seconds. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one of these 5 models. 1. Not all 5. Comment below which one you're going to start with this week. I'm reading every comment and I'm genuinely curious which of these resonates with you. And if you want the actual tools, templates, and prompts I use for each of these models, I'm linking a free resource in the description. It's the exact setup I use to generate these income streams. Next week, I'm showing you how to build your first AI product from zero to selling in 48 hours. If you want that, subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's go. Metadata for YouTube.